The citizenship scandal plaguing the Turnbull government is now set to drag on for months. The High Court has declared it couldn't hear the case until October. Jonathan Lee reports.
With his wig in his bag, the nation's second top lawman headed into the land's highest court, today sitting in Brisbane, to untangle the mess our politicians have got themselves into, but left with the news it will take a month longer to resolve than the government had hoped.
Still, are you able to get a comment on the change of time frame?
The cases of 7 MPs now set down for 3 days in mid-October, 7 weeks away. Lawyers for One Nation Senator Malcolm Roberts successfully arguing they needed more time.
The government is pleased that the court agreed to hear all the matters together.
We've got a pretty early date in all the circumstances.
The Commonwealth believes the cases fall into 3 groups, with National Senator Barnaby Joyce and Matt Canavan and Green Senator Larissa unaware they were dual citizens, while Senator Scott Ludlam and Malcolm Roberts both previously knew and have a case to answer. Senators Fiona, Nash and Xenophon are yet to be referred to the court. On a side note, Senator Canavan's lawyer will argue the form submitted by his mother signing him up as an Italian citizen is irrelevant. Maintaining citizenship by descent should be excluded because it disqualifies half the population. Taxpayers, though, can expect to foot the bill. Why?
There's a public interest in doing so.
A month ago, the PM mocked the Greens.
And it shows incredible sloppiness on their part.
Now the government says,
I don't think this is anybody's fault, so I think it's quite the wrong approach to lay any blame at anyone's door.
The headline act in this legal stoush could come from former independent Tony Windsor, the archenemy of Barnaby Joyce. The Deputy PM beat him at the last election for his seat. Today, Tony Windsor won the right to cross-examine his old foe under oath. Until then, the government says it's getting on with the job of digging itself out of trouble. Jonathan Lee, 10 Eyewitness News.